In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Email Insights tracking in Zoho CRM. Email Insights helps you understand how your CRM sent emails are performing so you can follow up with confidence. You'll be able to see whether messages were delivered, opened, clicked, or bounced, and you'll have the context you need to improve future outreach. Start by confirming that Email Insights is turned on in your CRM. Go to Setup, then navigate to Channels, choose Email, and open Email Intelligence. On the Email Insights page, toggle Email Insights to On. In many accounts, this is already enabled by default, but it's worth double-checking here. Keep in mind that you'll need administrator permissions to access this setting, and it isn't available in the free edition of Zoho CRM. A quick note on how tracking works. Email activity is recorded for emails sent directly from Zoho CRM or from Sales Inbox. Messages sent from unrelated external mail clients won't be tracked unless they're sent through or properly logged within CRM. Also, only HTML emails with embedded tracking can record opens and clicks. Plain text emails can still be delivered, but they won't report open or click activity. Zoho uses a tiny tracking pixel to detect opens, so if a recipient's email app blocks images, that open may not register. This is normal behavior across most email tracking tools. With Email Insights enabled, compose your message from the CRM email editor or from Sales Inbox and send it as usual to your lead, contact, or account. The system automatically embeds the tracking pixel and link tracking. There's nothing extra you need to add. If you're using templates, make sure they're HTML-based to capture engagement data. To see how a specific email performed, open the related lead, contact, or deal record and scroll to the email section. You'll see statuses like delivered, opened, clicked, and bounced. Hover or click to view details such as the number of opens or clicks and the timestamps. This helps you understand not just if someone engaged, but when, which can guide the timing of your follow-up. For broader trends, head to the Reports module and open the Email Reports folder. Here, you'll find email analytics for insights by date, user, and template. Email and call analytics to combine communication metrics. Sent email status to review delivery and engagement at a glance. Top templates by open or click rate to see what's resonating, and top 10 users to understand who is driving activity. Use these reports to refine subject lines, adjust send times, and prioritize follow-ups based on real engagement. That's it. Your Email Insights tracking is set up and ready to work for you.